today's video. In today's video, we are gonna brighten the skin. What I'm gonna share with you is an homemade skin brightener. Now, this is gonna help to keep the skin clear and bright looking. You're gonna get a natural glow when you use this on the skin. This is gonna get rid of hyperpigmentation caused from blackheads and whiteheads, caused from pimples, and it is also good for wrinkles and fine lines. So if you're looking for, yes, you can take it all the way under your eyes. So if you're looking for an home remedy that can help to brighten the skin and get rid of pigmentation on the skin, follow me to my kitchen. I'm going to share the recipe for this, and guess what, guys, you really want to see what goes into this, and at the end I'll share a live demonstration showing you how best to use it on your skin. For this recipe, you're gonna need a blender. Now, there are many natural ingredients that you can use on the skin to clear the skin of pigmentation, lighten and brighten the skin. One such ingredient is tomato. Tomato help to fight against cellular damage. It have anti-aging properties. It help to remove dead skin cells from the skin. It also may help to stimulate collagen production. Tomato also is great for sunburn, and it is amazing to use on your skin overall to brighten and lighten the skin. So for this recipe, I'm going to use a half of a tomato, a half of a plum tomato. So cut your tomato in two halves. And since I'm going to be blending, I'm going to chop mine in small pieces for easier blending. At this stage, if you do not have a blender, go ahead and grate the tomato. So slowly chop this tomato. And once this is done, we are going to reach for our blender, and we're going to add the chopped tomato to the blender. Now, before we blend the tomato, I'm going to reach for my second ingredient and take a look at what I have here. Here I have some fresh milk, and milk contains lactic acid. We're getting the lycopene from the tomato and the lactic acid from the milk. This is going to help to get rid of dead skin cells on the skin. It's also going to help to clean those pores out, and milk also will help the skin to stay fresher and also may help to boost collagen in the skin. I'm using 1 tablespoon of the fresh milk. If you're vegan, use some soy milk in this recipe. And now we're going to cover, and we are going to blend to a creamy consistency. So blend away. Now, after blending, take a look. Here we have our blended mixture, and now we're going to strain because we want this to be smooth. So we're going to get rid of any of the particles from the tomato, like the seeds and the peel. So let's just pour this in a strainer. You can use a cheesecloth if you do not have a strainer. Now, after straining, take a look. Here we have our fresh tomato and milk mixture, and this is what we are going to use to make our facial wash. So now let's add some other ingredients. Here I have some aloe vera gel, and this is also fresh aloe vera gel. What I did, I just peeled aloe leaf, extract the gel, blend it, and here we have fresh aloe vera gel. When you have your fresh aloe vera gel, you can store it in the refrigerator for up to about 7 days. So pour 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel in the mixture. So here we have tomato, we have milk, and we have aloe vera gel. Such an amazing combination of ingredients to use on the skin. So totally dissolve the aloe vera gel in the mixture. And now we're going to reach for some oil. My oil of choice today is coconut oil. However, you can use any of your favorite oil in this recipe. Coconut oil works as a humectant, which will help to lock the moisture in the skin. And also, using the coconut oil in this help to cut down on the acidity from the tomato and also the lactic acid. So about a teaspoon of coconut oil, and now we're going to mix, and we are going to mix well. Totally blend all the ingredients together and take a look at this. this is exactly how you want it to be. Now, if you have a little vitamin E oil, you can also choose to put 1 to 2 drops in this recipe. Now that this is ready, what I like to do, I like to store this in the refrigerator before I use it. So I prefer to use this chill because it do feel better on the skin. So set this aside in your refrigerator for about an hour or so. And once that is done, this is now ready to use on your skin for brightening and lightening and clearing dead skin cells. So do not hang off. Wait, let me show you exactly how to use it for best result. Now here we have our skin brightening solution. Now you can choose to use a brush to apply this to the skin. You can choose to use a mask, a sheet, or you can choose to use your hands. Today I'm going to show you how I use my hands to do the application. So what you need to do to make sure to give it a star, and then you're going to pour it in your hands like this. Just pour it in your hands. A little goes a long way, and this amount is perfect. And then it's going to be very like soapy like, and then you're just going to apply it on your skin. Just apply it on the skin like I'm showing here, all over the skin, rubbing it on the skin in a circular motion. It feels really good on the skin. Now you're going to do this for about 2 to 3 minutes on the skin. You can also take it down on the neck and the décolleté. Now after you apply it on the skin, you're going to leave this on the skin. You're not going to rinse off. You want the full benefit of this, so you're going to leave it on the skin for at least 30 minutes. It's going to dry on the skin. That is okay. Let it dry on the skin, and then you rinse off and reveal beautiful looking skin. Use this every day if you so choose for hyperpigmentation. However, at least 2 to 3 times per week is best for clearer looking skin, free from pimples, free from blackheads, free from spots and blemishes, and also guys, free from wrinkles and fine lines.